Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iPod Touch. I'm using a second generation iPod Touch. I don't really know the difference between second generation and third generation, but I'm using a second generation, and to do this, you have to have firmware 3.1.2, 3.1.3, or 3.2. Let's get started. First of all, this is a very easy software that we're going to be using. You really only need one click of a button and the iPod will do the rest. The other method I'm going to be showing you is one you can do on your iPod that I have not gotten to work on my iPod, but it seems to work on everybody else's iPod. Probably because I've already tethered my iPod by accident and I had to restore it. If you don't have a tethered iPod, this will work fine for you. What you're going to do is go to Google and type in Spirit JB, and the top one is going to just be called spiritjb.com. You're going to click that, and it's going to bring you to a website like this. This website is the Spirit JB website where you're going to download the software. It says do not update to 3.2.1 because you cannot use this jailbreak on anything higher than 3.2. Make sure you read all of this right here because it will tell you a lot about it, and you should go to spiritjb.com because they did spend a lot of time trying to make this software so it works as easily and as fast as it does. This took me a matter of 10 minutes to jailbreak my iPod. So what you're going to do is you're going to download it on whatever computer you have, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then please donate to them because it is amazing how fast it goes. Once you download it, it's going to be something called Spirit, and if you do see it, if it does not open after you download, or you do not see it on your desktop, you should go to Downloads and look for it in Downloads because it usually is in Downloads. Here it is. Click Run. Alright, and this is the software right here. That's how easy it is. All you do is plug in your iPod, and it says Ready, iPod Touch. For me, it says 2G, 3.1.3 connected. Then all you do is just click Jailbreak, and it does the rest on your iPod Touch. But the best thing about this software is that when you do it, it comes up with a really cool space picture, and it has a status bar in the middle of it, and the status bar goes up until it's done jailbreaking. This jailbreak does include Cydia, so you can get all kinds of really cool applications and tweaks and other mods for your iPod Touch. I'm going to give you a look at what my iPod looks like right now. Okay, so this is my iPod Touch right here, and you can obviously see that it's been jailbroken because of the battery and the slider. And it also has a background, which also means it's jailbroken. It's got Cydia, if you can see it. Yeah, I gotta focus it. Yeah, well, anyways, it's got Cydia, and it's got Winterboard right there. And it's got a bunch of Cydia apps like ModMy, which gives me a custom saying right there, and it's got the date and time, where the time should be. And it's got battery percentage, and it's got a bunch of really cool stuff. Yeah, and then it's got a bunch of really cool applications that you can only get from Cydia. So you can obviously tell it's been jailbroken. And I used the Spirit method that I showed you on the computer. Yeah, and it's got the custom mail thing. So you should really go jailbreak your iPod, and I will be making tutorials on how to do all the cool stuff and get backgrounds. There's also moving backgrounds. I'll show you that one. Alright, now it's just gotta reload the springboard. Yeah, when you reload the springboard, it freezes up your iPod for a second, but don't be scared. Your iPod is not messed up. It's just reloading all the data. And that's my background. It's cars moving really fast through the city. And even the sky changes up here after a while. It gets lighter. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the computer, and I'm going to show you a few steps of what it will look like. See? I'm going to show you a few steps on what it'll be like when you go to jailbreak your iPod. First, what you're going to do is you're going to install the Spirit software that you saw in the first part of the video. Next, you're going to open the Spirit software and just plug in your iPod and click jailbreak. Then you should see this screen right here. This is the image you'll see for the Spirit software. This is the icon. This is the Cydia app icon. When you have it on your iPod, this is what you should look for. And this is the kind of things for the Spirit software. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you the second method for the iPod Touch getting it jailbroken. This is another easy method, but it hasn't worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you or not. So let's get started. You want to unlock your iPod and go to your Safari application. Once you have Safari, yeah, it should open up the internet. And you're gonna go to www.jailbreakme.com, and you're gonna hit go. It's gonna bring you to a website. It's gonna look pretty familiar. Many people say that. Many people use this, and it's got a little slider. And all you gotta do is just slide it, and it should jailbreak it. I've already jailbroken mine, so I'm not gonna slide it. But what you should do is you go to it on your iPod. You don't do it on your computer because it won't work on your computer, only on your iPod, and it jailbreaks it straight to the iPod. Now that I've showed you how to do both ways on how to jailbreak your iPod Touch, maybe you should try one of these methods out and download Spirit or get on your iPod and go to jailbreakme.com and try it out for yourself. See if it works for you. And thank you for watching this video. You should really subscribe. You should donate to the spirit.com website and really help them out. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate 5 stars or thumbs up, whatever. Check out my other videos. There'll be more videos coming up soon. Have a good day, and thanks again for watching my video.